Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Ray from NoCo Strong Junk Removal. I want to tell you a little story. The story of how I got here. So I've been doing home repair, home improvements for the last dozen or so years. And, you know, could be doing a bathroom remodel or a kitchen remodel or repairing drywall or laying new flooring down, you name it. And what's happened over the years is my body's not handling it the same as it used to when I was a young buck. So it used to be no problem whatsoever, but now I get down on the floor doing tiling and it hurts. My knees hurt, my back hurts. It's just not fun. So I thought to myself, I got to find a better way to earn a living. I got to do it where I can keep income-wise the same, if not better, than what I do doing home repairs and home remodel. And so I started looking and happened to stumble across Matt and JoJo. There's your plug, guys. And started watching their videos and started thinking, wow, they're saying you can make some good money, but is it true? So I started watching them, and I watched a few other guys that are on YouTube, and they're saying this is what we're charging, so on and so forth. I started checking locally what companies are charging. It's like, damn, you can make that kind of money. So I decided to jump in. Both feet. I have my home repair company still up and running because I own my own company. However, I'm phasing that out. But my plan is, if I'm slow on the junk removal days, I can always book other things like doing small drywall repair, things like that, until I can pull away completely. So started doing that this week. One of my marketing methods that has proven to be pretty awesome actually is Facebook. And what I did a long time ago to help drum up business for my home repair company is I started friending a bunch of realtors in the area. And I've got probably 2,700 friends on Facebook. And so I just kept doing that, and a lot of realtors I knew from doing my home repair stuff, they would call me when they were selling a property and needed some things fixed. You know, so a lot of repeat business there. And I thought, junk removal also plays into the same area in the real estate market. So I thought that's something I'm going to pursue. So what I did is earlier this week, I started contacting each and every realtor that I have as a friend, and I sent them a message on Messenger and said, hey, you know, starting a new company, it's junk removal. Would love to give you a free quote on anything you need. If you have move outs and need some help, just give me a call, you know, something to that effect. Send it out, and within an hour of starting to send out messages, I started getting replies back. Some people are saying, hey, good to know, thanks, we'll put you in our contacts. Others are like, hey, can you give me an estimate on this? So on and so forth. And it has just been nonstop. And I still have a lot more realtors that I have to contact. I haven't contacted them all yet, but I'm already filling up my schedule. So that's an excellent way of drumming up business. And guess how much it cost me? $0. It cost me no dollars on that. And because the ones I'm marketing to are realtors, my goal is to have them repeat business. Every time they get a need for junk removal, they're calling me. So got that. So that's all working fine. Now here's the other situation I had to deal with and overcome is I've got a truck, which is nice. I got a 2019 F-150, but it's got a small bed, 5.5 foot bed. Doesn't haul much. So I decided in the early stages I'm just going to rent a trailer. And to rent a trailer, it's not a tilt bed. And the main reason why I'm not going with the tilt bed at this point is because they don't recommend you haul one of those with a 1/2 ton. They want you to do one with a 3/4 or 1 ton truck. Do I have to do that? No, but I probably will. I probably will just use a regular trailer, not a tilt bed. So renting a trailer, doing a 7x14, I think it is, winds up being, with the lower sidewalls, it's like 6 cubic yards, but you could do probably 10 yards if you build up the sides higher. But to rent one of those trailers, it is $62 for a day, a full day. So what I'm going to do is just schedule. So let's say I schedule a day for tomorrow, which I'm doing. Book that day solid, rent the trailer, and no matter how many runs to the dump I do, it only costs me $62 to rent that trailer. So that's my game plan, and I'll let you know how that goes. But so far, it is kicking ass and taking names. That's it. Everything is going well. I'll keep you posted on how it goes as I progress. Take care, you guys.